You know how most health insurance plans promise unlimited restoration benefits, but when you actually need them, they come with multiple conditions and exclusions? Care Supreme flips that script entirely. It offers unlimited automatic recharge on both partial and complete exhaustion for the same and different illnesses. No questions asked. And that alone makes this one of the most discussed plans in most of our health insurance discussions. Hi folks, I'm Shashank and you're watching Ditto Insurance. We're backed by Zerodha and have helped over 8 lakh Indians navigate the maze of insurance with honest and unbiased advice. And if you want help understanding a plan or picking the right one for your family, then book a free call with our advisors using the link in the description. We guarantee no spam and there will not be any pushy sales. We'll just give you clear guidance. Again, the link is in the description. Alright, in this video, we're going to break down the Care Supreme health insurance plan in complete detail. We'll walk you through the insurer's performance, every major and minor feature of the policy, the key add-ons available, the waiting periods, the discount structure, and of course, the premiums. And this will be analyzed across different profiles. And by the end of the video, you'll actually be able to make a decision if this is the right plan for you or not. So for the next 7 or 8 minutes, this is going to be your ultimate guide on choosing Care Health Insurance and knowing if it's the right plan for you or not. Alright, let's begin. Care Health Insurance, which was formerly known as Religare Health Insurance, is a standalone Indian health insurer that started in 2012. It's promoted by Religare Enterprises, which is owned and operated by the Burman family from the Dabur Group, known for its consumer-centric, tech-driven approach. Care has built a reputation for offering innovative health products. Now, when we talk performance, Care Supreme operates under solid fundamentals. The average claim settlement ratio over the last 3 years stands at 90%. Its incurred claims ratio is at about 59%, indicating efficient risk management. It receives 36 complaints per 10,000 claims settled, which is higher than some premium players, but still within industry averages. Their cashless network includes over 11,400 plus hospitals across India. Alright, now let's check if you are eligible to get this plan or not. For adults, the entry age starts at 18 with lifelong renewability with no maximum age limit for coverage. For dependent children, entry is allowed from 90 days up to 24 years, after which they can transition into an individual plan with all benefits carried forward. Sum insured options also vary from 5 lakh rupees to 1 crore. Policy tenure options are 1, 2 or 3 years and you can choose either individual or family floater coverage with maximum of 2 adults and 2 children. Now let's walk through the core features. There's no co-payment, no room rent restriction, no disease-wise sublimits, meaning you have complete flexibility in choosing your hospital room and treatment approach. Pre-hospitalization expense covered up to 60 days, post-hospitalization up to 180 days. So that is solid. Daycare treatments, modern treatments, domiciliary care and Ayush are all covered up to sum insured. The inbuilt bonus structure offers a 50% increase in your base cover per year, reaching up to 100% of the base sum insured, regardless of whether you raise a claim. Now, that is quite generous and this ensures that your coverage grows consistently with you. Now, let's take a look at some standout features. One is definitely the unlimited automatic recharge. Here, your sum insured gets restored after a claim unlimited times during the policy year on partial or complete exhaustion, and this is applicable for both same and different illnesses without any cooling off period. Next up is the road ambulance coverage, and this varies by sum insured, up to 10,000 rupees for policies below 15 lakhs and up to full sum insured for 15 lakh rupees and above policies. Organ donor cover is also included up to sum insured. Now let's talk about waiting periods. The plan has an initial 30-day waiting buffer with accidents covered from day 1. There's also 2-year waiting period for specific illnesses and 3 years for pre-existing conditions. However, several add-ons can significantly reduce these waiting periods. Alright, now let's talk about optional covers and add-ons. Care Supreme offers an extensive range of customization options. We'll go one by one. We'll first talk about add-ons that were previously available and then head to talking about the new add-ons that Care recently introduced. First up, Cumulative Bonus Super. This gives you an additional 100% bonus on your sum insured every year, regardless of claims made, up to 5x of your original cover. So, a 10 lakh plan can become 60 lakhs in the next 5 years. And even if you make a claim, your bonus doesn't reduce, unlike many other plans. Claim Shield. This covers common non-payable items like PPE kits, gloves, and basic consumables that hospitals often charge extra for, but regular policies don't cover. There's also something called as wellness benefit, wherein if you walk 10,000 steps a day, sync your progress with the Care app, and then you can earn discounts on renewal up to 30%. There's also AI wellness coach and nutrition access also embedded into this add-on. Next up is BeFit benefit. This offers gym and fitness center access across partner locations in India, and this is available to anyone over 12. See, the idea is to incentivize preventive care and not just reactive hospitalization. Next up, annual health checkup. This covers an age-appropriate diagnostic package every year, cashless at network centers, and available after just 30 days of buying the policy. There's also air ambulance cover, wherein this reimburses up to 5 lakh rupees annually for emergency airlifts during life-threatening hospitalization. Next up is OPD care, where you get 4,000 rupees a year to spend on outpatient consultations. This includes 4 general doctor visits and 4 specialist visits. That's 500 rupees per visit. Now, time for the new add-ons. There's a Cumulative Bonus Booster. This is an upgraded version of the CB Super. Your sum insured increases by 100% each year with no upper cap. This means your 10 lakh cover can turn into 20, 30, 40, 50 year after year, irrespective of any claims made and without any capping on accumulated amount. Next up is Claim Shield Plus. This expands on the regular Claim Shield. This covers non-payable listed under IRDAI's list from 1 to 4. This means support devices, diagnostic test kits, and even surgical accessories that are excluded in other plans, and they can be reimbursed using this add-on. Next up is Instant Cover Plus. This add-on reduces the waiting period to just 30 days for pre-existing conditions such as hypertension, diabetes, hyperlipidemia, asthma, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease or COPD, obesity, and coronary artery disease with PTCA done more than 1 year prior. There's also something called as unlimited care, where this allows unlimited coverage, that is without any upper cap, for one claim during policy lifetime. But note, this can be opted at inception only, and once opted, this cannot be removed before 5 years. Alright, now that we know all of the add-ons, let's take a look at the discount structure. You get a 15% employee discount if you're a care health insurance employee or promoter dependent. There's a 7.5% discount on 2-year policies and 10% on 3-year policies for advanced premium payment. Direct purchase through the insurer offers up to 10% discount, and early renewal provides 2.5% for renewals within 30 days or 5% for renewals 31 plus days before the due date. Now, if you're evaluating which add-ons make sense for your family's health profile and budget, book a free call with our advisors at Ditto. They'll help you structure the right combination of coverage and add-ons. Again, the link is in the description. Alright, now let's talk about premiums. Here's the breakdown. For a 25-year-old in Mumbai taking a 10 lakh rupee individual plan, the base premium is around 10,350 rupees, with total premium including mandatory add-ons at 11,900 rupees. For a 15 lakh cover, the total comes to around 14,150. At 25 lakh, it's 16,700. And for 50 lakh coverage, you're looking at 18,700. For couple aged 30 in Mumbai, the 10 lakh floater costs 15,600. And for 25 lakh, it's 24,700. And at 50 lakh, 28,700. Adding a child, that is 35, 30 and 5 years, for a 25 lakh, the total premium comes up to 31,300. In the senior age bracket, 265-year-olds would pay 67,058 rupees for 10 lakh coverage, scaling up to 1,21,000 for 50 lakhs. Now, these figures include GST and digital discount along with mandatory add-ons. The premiums are positioned competitively in the market, especially considering the comprehensive coverage and unlimited restoration benefit that comes standard. Now, let's get you Ditto's cut. By the way, you can check out Ditto's cut, which is linked in the description. Here's what we appreciate about Care Supreme. The unlimited automatic recharge feature is genuinely valuable. It provides real peace of mind for families worried about exhausting their sum insured during critical illnesses. The extensive add-on ecosystem allows for significant customization based on individual health profiles and life stages. The waiting period reduction options, particularly for common conditions like diabetes and hypertension, make this plan accessible for people with pre-existing conditions. The bonus structure that continues regardless of claims is also quite practical. Now, where this plan has some considerations is the operational metrics. While this is decent, this doesn't match the performance levels of some larger players in terms of claim settlement ratios and complaint volumes. Some add-ons are mandatory for specific customer profiles, which may increase costs even if you don't necessarily need all the features. The network size, while substantial, is significantly smaller compared to some industry leaders. Now, this was your comprehensive breakdown of Care Supreme plan. Also, folks, remember that no plan is universally the best. What works for you depends on your needs. So, if you're looking to understand how this compares with other options or want to see how it aligns with your family's specific requirements, book a free consultation with our team at Ditto. The link, again, is in the description. Also, folks, before we end the video, we want to know if you've had any experience with any of the Care Health Insurance's wellness programs or their claim settlement process. Or are there specific add-ons that you're curious about for your own health insurance planning? Please share your thoughts and experience with Care Insurance or Care Supreme plan in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. And if this breakdown was helpful, do like, share, and subscribe. It's the simplest and the easiest way to support our initiative at Ditto to spread financial and insurance literacy among all Indians. I'll see you folks in the next comparison or review. Until then, happy insurance hunting.